Hello and welcome to Fun Quiz. In this quiz, you need to smash the celebrity's name or names together. Let me give you an example. Here's the pop band Hanson, with the next celebrities being Sonny and Cher. If you work out the link, you've won. The end of the first name corresponds to the beginning of the second name. In this case, it's Hans, Sonny and Cher. Right, let's see how you do with round one. Smash the celebrities! How did you do? Did you guess it was the singer, Paloma Faith, and the rock band, Faith No More? Okie dokie, here we go for round two. Smash the celebrities! How did you do with round two? Did you guess it was the 80s rap duo Salt and Pepper and the American rock band Papa Roach? Well done if you did. If not, let's see if you can get round three. Smash the celebrities! How did you do with round two? Did you guess it was the British folk band Steel-Eyed Span and the British New Romantic Spandau Ballet? Well, I hope you got 3 out of 3 and I hope you enjoyed Smash the Celebrities. Make sure you check out our other quizzes, we've got loads to choose from. In the meantime, you take care and hopefully we'll see you soon. Bye!